Hello everyone, it's me Jang from Crafting World. Today I will show you how to make a simple paper rose. As you can see, simple paper rose using a paper. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need is a A4 size white paper. You can take a coloring paper too if you wish, but for practicing I would highly recommend to use a white color paper. You need to take two A4 size paper, and you need to cut this one for a stem and one for a leaf. So we'll first show you how to make a flower petals. So what you need to do is you need to just fold this like this. Then like this, you keep folding as shown in the video. Then the last one more step, you fold it. But if you need a bigger size flower petals, then you can keep up to this much, or if you need a big size, then you can keep this much. But I will be making a small one, so I'll be folding this much. So you fold the rest in this manner, and for the stem section you need to cut in this manner. If you have a green color paper, then it will be much better, but if you don't have, then you can use the white color one too for the practicing purpose. So what you need to do after cutting this kind of paper, so you can see here, just roll it. You can use a refill too if you can't roll it very properly, or you can put a water in the hand to roll it. So you keep folding slowly. You can fold in this way too if you are finding difficulty. So once you get the folding, then you just keep rolling in this way till the last end. So you elongate it. So once your required size stem is being formed, then you can see here what you need to do. You put a glue here. You can use any paper glue. So you put a glue here. Don't put too much, just put a little bit. And just paste it out. So finally our rose stem is being made and ready. So we'll keep it aside. So now the third portion I will show you before making the flower petals. You cut this size of paper. We'll make it a leaf. So I will show you. Just fold it in the middle. Now what you need to do, you cut on this format as a leaf format. So for this you need a scissor. So just take it and just cut it in this way. So I'm keeping it simple, so the leaf is formed. You can cut in the design, but here I'm just showing you a simple leaf style, so I will be keeping in this type. But if you want a thorny style, then you can cut depending upon needs, just like this, and make a thorny style lips. But here I'm keeping, for the video purpose, I'm keeping it simple. So you can keep like this too, or you can cut little more stylish depending upon your needs. So finally our stems and leaves are ready, as you can see. So I will be keeping it in the sidewise. Now for the flower petals, what you need to do, as we have folded the paper, So you need a compass, this one, so that you can make a circle. I'm requesting you to use this kind of compass because it will be more easier and it will give you the symmetric circle shape. So in my opinion, use this for proper circling petals. So what you need to do is select it, the center position, adjust it, and see the page if it's going depending the exact size. Then once done, and keep circling, keep marking, put a circle design as you can see. Now what you need to do, just cut this portion, use a scissor, so we are done with the petals too. As you can see, there's lots of petals. So finally we are ready to start making rose flowers. So a petal, a stem, and a leaf to make a pepper rose. So we'll begin with one by one. So what you need to do is just take one circle shaped petal, as you can see. So what you need to do is just roll it up like this, and this way you roll it up and put a glue here. So you keep doing this way, and we'll put the glue again here. Don't put the glue on every corner of the circle, just half size you keep a glue, as you are seeing in the video. So it's a half a size. So in this way you keep putting one by one all the petals like this. One by one you keep all the petals by putting a glue, and finally after completing I will show you the final portion. So finally this is the final form of the simple pepper rose. As you can see, you just put the paper on sideways, so final result you will see this kind of beautiful pepper roses. And it is very simple, you can try it yourself, and you can make up various coloring simple pepper roses. So in my opinion, try it out by yourself. It's very simple compared to the very complex pepper roses. So you try it first, and I would highly recommend it you use rough papers if you are just practicing, but if you really directly want to make, then you can make directly with the color papers. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.